feeling this vibe or not? Because your girl is feeling it. I'm feeling it. I am giving you modern day Cleo vibes right now, boo. Call me now. Yes, but here we are, ladies. I am really digging this. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. If you are new, do consider hitting that subscribe button. Ring the bell, get all post notifications. Most importantly, drop your girl a comment down below. Now, baby, let's go ahead, cut the small talk, get into this beauty, baby. Bye. XrsBeauty.
All you need. From the moment you was dancing in the party, pushing out on me, giving everything, you're giving everything tonight. Ain't any thought you could get away from me and get away from me. Girl, just take your time.
And bam, just like that, it was at this moment that I realized I do way too many side parts. So here we are, ladies. Let's get into this unit. Thank you so much for tuning into this part of the video. Couple of specs on this. This is by XrsBeauty. This is their 16-inch unit. Now I do have this in 200% density. This is also a 13x6 frontal featuring their clear lace, baby. Listen, let's talk all about this lace. Pre-bleached and pre-plucked straight out of the pack. The knots are super small on here, and you do get ear-to-ear lace. And you already know, best part, brown girl friendly. This lace right here, this is out of the pack. While I did have to go in with just a little bit of makeup, sis, they got you covered. They were also kind enough to send me out some samples, and compared to these other laces, is that a word? Laces? Whatever. Compared to these other laces, girl. Now the lace on here is super thin, super delicate, baby. It melts. I mean, when you are talking about scalpation in this slayery, who gonna clock you, boo? Who? Definitely comfortable fit on the cap, and they do give you a lot of room. So, baby, thick hair, don't care, big noggin, they got you covered, boo. Now this is laying super flat as well. I do appreciate the frontal on here. The lace is like superb quality. Now they did give you a lot of coverage on the sides as well. So baby, look at the ear tips. Do you see me at the swoopity swoops? Girl. So yeah, I'm really satisfied with this hairline. Layers, not so much. So XrsBeauty, just kind of come here. Anytime I do this, we gotta talk. So it was not layered out of the box. I did have to go ahead and put my own little finesse, you know, kind of my own little novice, you know, kind of snipping along the way, touch on it. Listen, I done told y'all, I don't know nothing about cutting, suturing, snipping, no type of layers in nobody's head. But I was able to look at a couple of YouTube videos, and they made it seem, you know, kind of easy. Your girl took a little chance. I basically just held the scissors at a 90-degree angle. I quickly opened and closed the scissors, and yeah, we was snipping, girl. I was just snipping, and whatever snips came out, that's what y'all was gonna get. And you know, I had to layer this myself. So if you are not like a pro, I definitely suggest getting in contact with a stylist, whoever you can, to layer and style this unit for you. Now this is 200% density. In my opinion, you know, I could have used just a little bit more oomph, but I know it's because of the layers that I put in this unit. She is definitely giving me a natural vibe though, baby. Like I said, Cubicle Carla, get all up in there, baby. Come the beginning of the week, yeah, baby, you gonna be killing them. Yeah, so I'm definitely pleased, definitely happy with the outcome. I really don't think I have any cons with this company besides the fact that I do wish it was layered out of the box. Curls did hold up pretty okay. This side did fall a little bit. You can kind of see it right here. You know, they struggling, holding on by a thread. But I think it still came out pretty okay. You know, trial and error. Can't get better if you don't try. So your girl is trying. Am I giving you corporate slay or not? Yeah, so big thank you to them for sending out this unit. Definitely appreciate it. If you're interested in checking their information out, check out the description box down below. If you did miss it, they are offering you some money off, baby. 20% coupon code XRS124 and you will save on your unit. Now that coupon code does expire November 26th at 11:59, baby. So check out the information in the description box down below for all their information. Big thank you to all of you for tuning into this video, baby. Take care of yourselves, keep loving on yourselves, keep yourself first, and as always, keep wearing it with confidence, and I'll talk to you all in the next one.